Hello everyone, my name is Pratima and this is my programming project report. In this video, I'm going to explain about the project finding the closest pair of points. This project is about implementing and comparing two algorithms, brute force algorithm and divide and conquer algorithm, to solve the problem of finding the closest pair of points in a plane. Coming to the brute force algorithm, in this algorithm, we compare all pair of points with every other point, calculate the distance between each pair of points, keep track of the minimum distance encountered and the pair of points that achieve this distance. And we continue this process until all pairs have been compared and find the pair with the minimum distance. This algorithm has the running time of big O of n square. Coming to the divide and conquer algorithm, this algorithm divides the problem into smaller subproblems, solve them recursively, and then combines the solutions. First, the points all are sorted according to x coordinates, then with the y coordinates. Now, entire set of points are divided into two halves recursively to find the closest point in left half and right half. After the closest pairs in the left and right subsets are found, there's a possibility that a closer pair of points has one point in the left half and the other in the right half. To find the closest such pair, the algorithm looks at a strip with width of 2D centered at the dividing line, where d is the smallest distance found between the two subsets. Within this strip, the algorithm performs a brute force search, but with a crucial optimization for each point, it only needs to check a fixed number of points ahead in the sorted by y coordinates list. This number can be limited to 15 due to its mathematical property. This has the running time of big O of n log to the base 2n. Now let's see the code. This is the code. This code is implemented to solve the closest pair problem, which involves finding the pair of points with the smallest distance. In this code, we have the method generate random points. This method generates a set of random points with x and y coordinates within a specified range. And here we have the brute force closest points. This method iterates over all possible pair of points and calculates the distance between each pair. And here we have another method, closest pair. This method implements a recursive divide and conquer strategy to find the closest pair of points. Now let's run some sample test cases. Here I have taken n equals to 5. I will take n equals to 5. Now let's run. Here we can see both the approaches have the closest pair same. Both the approaches has the minimum distance same, and it also displays the same values using a brute force algorithm and divide and conquer algorithm. We got the closest pairs, same values for both the algorithms. Now I will test again with another value. Now I'm taking n equals to 6. Here we can find the same thing. We see the minimum distance is same using divide and conquer and the brute force algorithm. And we can also see the closest pair is same using brute force and the divide and conquer algorithm. Now let's calculate average runtime for n equals to 1000 with 10 iterations. We will compute average runtimes of both the approaches. Here we have calculated the average runtimes using a brute force algorithm and the divide and conquer algorithm. These are the results. Finally, the results are represented both in tabular form and also graphically. These are the runtimes I have recorded for each input for both the algorithms. And I have also recorded the theoretical runtime, empirical runtime, and the ratio and the predicted runtime for brute force and divide and conquer algorithms. And these are the graphs. It is the comparison graph of algorithm 1, brute force, empirical runtime, and divide and conquer empirical runtime. And the graph 2 represents the comparison of brute force, empirical runtime, and predicted runtime. And the graph 3 is the comparison of brute divide and conquer algorithm, empirical runtime, and predicted runtime. As we can see, there is a huge differences between both the approaches. We can say that brute force approach is practically insufficient, while the divide and conquer is the most efficient one. So we can conclude that brute force is less inefficient while compared to the divide and conquer algorithm. Thank you.